Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Got some honeydew melon. Like they call me some melon. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM on Instagram, or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com. Whoop whoop. We got originally gear, American apparel. American meaning shirts. Originally forward socks. One of a kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Make sure you guys go check us out. Pardon. Yeah. You got this honeydew melon. Gonna cut this open. But the thing is with this, since we're doing it like this, I got one hand. So guess what? We're gonna put it to the side. Well, we gonna manage, you dig? Ooh. Probably should have been cut this, it looks like. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Look at them seeds. Look at them seeds. Love the seeds. I'm gonna collect the seeds, sure. Then I gotta scoop off a little piece. I just gotta scoop off a little piece. Gotta scoop off a little piece, that's all. Oh, that ain't smell sweet. I don't know what does, bro. I wish I could smell this. Hold up. Wowzers. That's so sweet. That's like candy. Wow. Woo. I ain't had some of that honeydew in so freaking long. Wow. It actually tastes like that one candy, that lollipop. But it's the real deal. Wow. Wow, that's really sweet. That's kind of shocking for me, man. I didn't think it was gonna be that sweet. I'm gonna look through a spoon because I got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's a spoon. So I can collect these seeds. Shoot, I'm gonna have to put that down. I did not expect it to be that sweet, man. I did not expect it to be that sweet. Sweet, I should say. I did not expect it to be that sweet. Holy smokes. I didn't expect it to be that sweet. Wowzers. That was very sweet, man. Let me know if y'all ever had honeydew in the comments. Let me know. You had some honeydew melon. I really think about chopping it up, putting it in the blender. It was that freaking sweet, man. It's ripe too. Alright. Got my spoon. Seeded this. I'm gonna let this get in the sun to dry out mostly. As I pick through and stuff, but it's gonna have to dry out, let the sun get to it. Most definitely have to take this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to escape. Get this part, separate this part. When I let the sun dry out. A lot of liquids. Look how much seeds that came out from one. From one. Wow. I know I gotta get to a place too where I can plant them, you know, warmer climate consistently. But yeah, this is cool. Bro. That's so about it. So freaking sweet, man. Wow. Why do people underestimate can't even speak right. Underestimate the honeydew melon. Delicious, y'all. Wow, let me know if you guys had that before. What did y'all think of it? And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You daily uploads, alright? Peace, love, and light.